Hello there. Get ready to discover the world of automotive retail sales. This module, Introduction to Automobile Sales Career, gives you a sneak peek into this exciting career path. We will touch on the essentials of what it means to work in automobile sales. From understanding customers to the art of persuasion, you will get a taste of the skills you will be diving into. Ready to take that first step on the road to a potential career? Let us start exploring. Let us outline what is coming your way in this module. We are going to cover these crucial topics. Get a clear introduction to the automobile sales landscape and what it entails. Learn about the roles available in dealerships and the diverse opportunities they offer. Discover the steps you need to take for a successful career in automobile sales. Stay focused as we go through these essential areas, arming you with knowledge and insights for a solid start in the world of automobile sales. Now, let's delve into why stepping into the world of automobile sales could be a game changer for you. If you're passionate about cars, connecting with people, and driving your success, this could be your ideal journey. Automobile sales offer a unique blend of your interests and skills, where you're not just selling cars, but also building relationships and fulfilling customers' dreams. Looking for a path that packs a punch? Here's why diving into the world of automobile sales is a smart move. Automobile sales are all about adapting to new models, technologies, and customer preferences. If you're excited about keeping up with the fast lane of change, this is where you belong. In the engine of our economy, the automobile sector races ahead. As more wheels hit the road, the demand for sales professionals like you revs up. It's a sector that's not slowing down. In this career, your rewards match your effort. Successful sales can drive impressive commissions, putting you in control of your paycheck. From showroom floors to client meetings, you'll be on the move. The freedom to engage with customers and explore different territories is part of the thrill. This isn't just a job, it's a journey. If you're ready to steer your career toward growth, excitement, and financial potential, choosing an automobile sales career could be the fuel you need. Think why this career is rewarding for years to come. In a world that's always on the move, skilled salespeople like you are the driving force. Your ability to connect, inform, and guide customers is a skill set that's always in demand. Dealerships are on the lookout for professionals who can deliver results. Your expertise in understanding both the customer's needs and the intricacies of automobiles puts you in a prime position to excel. You're not just selling cars, you're making dreams come true. By bridging the gap between customers and the perfect vehicle, you're creating experiences that last beyond the showroom floor. What's better than loving what you do? With an automobile sales career, you get to channel your passion for automobiles into a fulfilling job. Your enthusiasm becomes your secret weapon. Buckle up for a journey where your skills stay valuable, your expertise is sought after, and your passion keeps the engine roaring. Ready to drive your earning potential to new heights? Here's why the automotive retail industry holds the key. Your passion for automobiles is your driving force. Now turn that passion into profit by becoming an expert who guides customers to their dream vehicles. Buckle up for a reality where your earnings match your dedication. Successful sales could lead to impressive financial rewards you might not have even imagined. Get behind the wheel of your career by connecting with like-minded professionals in your city. Surrounding yourself with successful individuals can accelerate your growth. It's not just about selling cars, it's about building a solid career foundation. Acquire crucial skills in communication, negotiation, and customer service that will serve you well beyond the showroom. This is more than a job, it's an opportunity to steer your future. With high earning potential, networking opportunities, and skill development, the automotive retail industry offers a road to financial success. Looking for a path with upward momentum? Here's how the automotive retail industry offers you the keys to career growth. The path to success is clear-cut. Step by step, you can climb the career ladder and reach new heights in the automotive retail industry. start as a novice and progress to become a sales leader. The industry rewards dedication, hard work, and the drive to excel. Every journey begins with a single step. In this industry, that step leads to a world of possibilities. With consistent effort, you can rise from being a novice to becoming a sales leader. Your potential doesn't have a speed limit. From showroom sales to management roles, the road ahead is open and expansive. The journey doesn't end once you've reached a milestone. Lifelong learning is at the heart of career growth in the automotive retail industry. Embrace every opportunity to expand your skills and knowledge. Get ready to transform your career into a journey of continuous growth, reaching new levels of achievement in the automotive retail industry. I'm sure you now know why the automotive retail industry offers an attractive career. The automotive retail sector is on the rise, offering a dynamic and evolving landscape. Your skills are in high demand as the industry seeks professionals who can drive results. Your dedication translates to impressive financial rewards, making this career path financially rewarding. Welcome to the heart of success in automobile sales. In this section, we'll equip you with the essential skills to navigate the sales landscape with confidence. In the world of automobile sales, communication is your steering wheel to success. Here's why honing your communication skills is a must. By mastering effective communication, you open doors to understanding your customers and delivering solutions that fit their needs. It's not just about talking, it's about active listening. Understand your customers' desires, concerns, and preferences, then respond with tailored solutions that resonate. Your words paint the picture of value. Learn to articulate the unique features and benefits of each vehicle, showing customers why it's the perfect fit for them. In the sales career, communication isn't just a tool, it's your vehicle to build trust, rapport, and successful transactions. In the world of automobile sales, being the expert matters. Here's why mastering product knowledge is your roadmap to success. Your domain expertise sets you apart as a go-to resource for customers. Knowledge is your fuel. Understand every detail about the vehicles you're selling, from engines to features, ensuring you're equipped to answer any question. Make your vehicles your second home. The better you know them, the more confidently you can guide customers to the perfect match. Turn technical jargon into clear insights. Your ability to explain complex features simply and confidently builds trust with customers. Elevate your language to the expert level. You instill confidence and influence in your customers by articulating benefits and advantages fluently. Product knowledge isn't just a tool, it's your compass to steer customers toward the right choices and drive your sales career forward. In the world of automobile sales, being a solution provider is your roadmap to success. Here's why mastering problem solving is essential. By understanding customers' needs, you become the key to unlocking solutions that fit their lifestyles. Your vehicles aren't just cars, they're solutions to problems. Demonstrate how your products address specific needs and make customers' lives easier. Tailor-made solutions speak volumes. By understanding individual concerns, you can recommend vehicles that precisely align with their requirements. Challenges are opportunities in disguise. Turn objections into chances to showcase your expertise by addressing concerns creatively. Problem solving isn't just a skill. It's your toolkit for building trust, showing value, and driving successful transactions in your sales career. In the world of automobile sales, trust is your strongest currency. Trust is the bridge between you and your customers. By cultivating trust, you lay the foundation for enduring relationships. It's not just about transactions, it's about connections. Building lasting relationships goes beyond the sale, creating loyalty and repeat business. People buy from people they trust. Connect with your customers on a personal level, understanding their preferences and needs. Transparency is your guiding principle. Being honest about products, features, and benefits builds credibility and trust. Trust isn't just a goal. It's a way of doing business that ensures your customers return with confidence, making you their trusted advisor in the world of automobile sales. The key to success is in bridging the gap between customers and solutions through effective communication. Aim to become the go-to expert with an in-depth understanding of vehicles and features. Showcase your ability to provide tailored solutions that address customers' needs. Cultivate relationships based on transparency and honesty, fostering enduring trust. Do these things every time, and you are sure to find great success in this career. In this section, Navigating Challenges, we'll explore potential hurdles you might encounter in the automobile sales career. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and by understanding them, you'll be better prepared to steer towards success. In the world of automobile sales, resilience is key. Here's how you must navigate rejections and objections, turning challenges into opportunities. Not every lead will convert, and that's okay. Learning to gracefully accept rejection is a skill that will keep you moving forward. Every no can lead to a yes down the road. Embrace rejections as chances to refine your approach and grow. Objections aren't roadblocks, they're signposts. By addressing objections head-on and turning them into advantages, you build trust with customers. Navigating challenges means developing the ability to overcome hurdles and turning setbacks into stepping stones towards success. In the world of automobile sales, negotiation is your navigation tool. Here's how to steer through the negotiation process with confidence. Negotiation isn't a detour, it's the main road. By mastering negotiation skills, you gain the power to secure favorable outcomes for both parties. Success isn't about winning at someone else's expense. Seek solutions that benefit both you and your customer, building rapport and lasting relationships. Compromise isn't a weakness, it's strategy. Skillful compromise helps you bridge gaps, creating deals that satisfy all parties involved. On the negotiation highway, every interaction is an opportunity to hone your skills and pave the way to successful transactions. In the world of automobile sales, the compass always points to the customer. Here's how to stay on track and keep customers at the heart of your approach. Every interaction is a chance to put the customer first. By understanding their needs, you build trust and loyalty. Striking the right balance is key. Align customer expectations with dealership goals, ensuring everyone benefits. Anticipating needs goes a long way. Show empathy, exceed expectations, and create experiences that customers remember. In the fast lane of sales, remembering that customers are the engine of your success ensures a smooth journey. In the world of automobile sales, resilience is your armor. Here's how to navigate challenges and emerge stronger than before. Markets may shift, but your determination must remain constant. Stay strong in the face of competition and keep moving forward. Setbacks aren't stops, they're stepping stones. Learn from each setback and use it as a launchpad for future successes. Flexibility is your greatest asset. Embrace change and adapt swiftly to shifting market trends, positioning yourself ahead of the curve. Enduring tough times isn't just a challenge, it's a testament to your commitment to success in the sales career. In this section, we talked about navigating through challenges you may face in this career. It would help if you built resilience by gracefully accepting rejection and using it as a stepping stone. Remember to always keep customers at the forefront of your approach, balancing their needs with dealership goals. Embrace challenges, adapt to shifting trends, and bounce back stronger from setbacks. In accelerating your career, we'll delve into the exciting journey that awaits as you take on this dynamic industry. From honing advanced skills to reaching new heights of success, get ready to accelerate your career into high gear and drive toward your goals. In the world of automobile sales, your journey isn't limited to one role. Here's how you can climb the corporate ladder. As you excel as a sales associate, you'll have opportunities to showcase your leadership skills, setting the stage for advancing into managerial roles. Your dedication and performance can propel you to new heights. From starting as a sales associate to leading teams as a manager, the road to success is wide open. In the sales career, Each step forward is a testament to your growth, potential, and determination. In the world of automobile sales, the journey of learning never ends. Here's why embracing continuous professional development is key to your sustained success. Knowledge is your vehicle for staying relevant and thriving in a dynamic industry. Commit to continuous learning as a foundation for your lasting success. Industry leaders are invested in your growth. Benefit from upskilling, specialized training, and workshops offered by automobile companies, propelling your career forward. Your career path isn't static, it's a highway of growth. By dedicating yourself to continuous learning, you ensure your journey is always moving in the direction of advancement. In the world of automobile sales, your network is your driving force. Here's how networking opens doors and fuels your professional success. Networking extends your reach beyond transactions. By connecting with industry peers and professionals, you expand your circle of influence. A robust network isn't just a collection of contacts, it's a web of opportunities. Leverage your connections to access resources, insights, and potential collaborations. Your network isn't just a destination, it's your express route to enriching your sales career and unlocking new horizons. Here's how your dedicated efforts translate into tangible benefits. Your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. With every sale, you're closer to a lucrative income that reflects your dedication. The sales career is a realm of incentives and bonuses that reward your performance. Your achievements amplify your income potential. The road you're on isn't just a path. It's a passage to a future of financial stability, growth, and the rewards you've earned. So, this is a path to a great career. Starting as a sales associate, you have the potential to ascend through the ranks to managerial and leadership roles, shaping a fulfilling career trajectory. By connecting with colleagues, clients, and industry professionals, you lay the foundation for opportunities, collaborations, and insights that fuel your growth. As you develop your skills and deliver results, you unlock the potential for handsome salaries and bonuses that reflect your dedication. You've embarked on an exciting journey with this starting module. By completing all modules, you'll gather the vital knowledge and skills needed to ignite your career in automobile sales. From mastering communication to conquering challenges, each step paves the way for a fulfilling path ahead. Get ready to steer towards success in this dynamic and rewarding field.